What if I told you that your smartphone, the same one in your hand right now, could turn you into a millionaire by 2026? Sounds crazy, right? But it is already happening. Thousands of ordinary people around the world are building digital empires from their bedrooms. No business degree, no investors, no fancy office, just social media and a strategy. In this video, we'll uncover how social media is creating the next generation of millionaires and how you could be next. The world has changed. The internet used to be a place for connection. Now, it's the biggest wealth machine in human history. Every scroll, every post, every video has become a potential source of income. And in 2026, the people who understand how to use this power will dominate the global economy. From YouTubers to digital marketers, influencers to automation creators, social media has turned ordinary people into millionaires faster than ever before. Part 1: The Social Media Revolution. Think about it. In 2010, social media was about selfies and status updates. In 2020, it became a business platform. And by 2026, it's a money ecosystem. You don't need a huge company anymore. You are the company. Your content is your product. Your audience is your customer base. Today, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and X, Twitter, have algorithms that reward creativity, consistency, and storytelling, not money or fame. That is why the next millionaires want to be born in boardrooms. They'll be born in bedrooms. Part 2: 5 real ways people are becoming millionaires. 1. Content creation, the creator economy. You've seen it already. Creators like Mr. Beast, Eamon Gaji, KSI, Logan Paul all built multi-million-dollar empires from content. They started with a camera and a dream. In 2026, creators are not just entertainers, they're brands. And platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are paying billions every year to content creators through ads, sponsorships, and brand deals. 2. Automation channels, faceless wealth. Not everyone wants to show their face, and that's okay. With AI voiceovers, stock videos, and tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs, people are building faceless channels that earn passive income while they sleep. These automation channels are exploding in niches like motivation, finance, tech, and storytelling. One viral video can generate income for years completely on autopilot. 3. Affiliate and digital marketing. Another way social media is minting millionaires is through affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale. The trick? Building trust. Whether it's Amazon affiliates or digital products on ClickBank, influencers are turning small audiences into massive cash flow machines. 4. Personal branding and courses. Knowledge is the new currency. Coaches, educators, and entrepreneurs are selling their experience through digital courses, workshops, and mentorships. Platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, and YouTube memberships allow anyone to package knowledge and sell it globally. And people are making 6 to 7 figures doing it. 5. Freelancing and service-based growth. Social media isn't just for creators, it's a goldmine for freelancers too. Video editors, scriptwriters, thumbnail designers, and AI experts are scaling their services through Instagram, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Every creator needs a team, and if you position yourself right, you can make thousands of dollars every month serving this booming market. Part 3: Why everyone doesn't become a millionaire. But let's be honest, not everyone will make it. For every success story, there are hundreds of people who give up too early. They start a YouTube channel, upload a few videos, don't get views, and quit. They want fast money, not smart money. The truth is, social media rewards consistency, creativity, and patience. Those who learn, adapt, and keep improving win. Everyone else gets lost in the noise. The difference between a millionaire and a dreamer? Execution. Part 4: How you can start right now. So how do you join this new millionaire wave? Step 1. Pick your niche. Choose what excites you: money, tech, motivation, entertainment, or education. Step 2. Learn the platforms. Understand how YouTube's algorithm works, how TikTok trends move, and how Instagram pushes Reels. Step 3. Create daily. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Step 4. Monetize smartly. Use multiple income streams, ads, affiliate links, digital products. Step 5. Invest in growth. Reinvest your earnings into tools, editors, ads, and better content. Social media has leveled the playing field. No matter where you live, what you look like, or how much money you start with, you have access to the same global audience. The question isn't, can social media make you rich? The real question is, are you ready to use it? Because the next millionaire could be watching this video right now. Maybe it's you.